is Joshua Olaniyan, and the name of my app is Crowdhelp. Crowdhelp is a health crowdfunding platform that allows users to create a project and other users can now donate to that project. The reason why I created this app was because some few years back, while I was at home, I was scrolling through the feeds of my Instagram and I found out that there was someone who was in need of medical emergency. And that deposited a seed in me. I was like, what if you had a platform where people can just post their needs and people can donate to them without them having to go about sourcing for funds from different sources where they wouldn't get it. So that was what led to me deciding to create this app. Now let's imagine this app has 1 million users and a person is in need of 50 million naira. If those 1 million users can donate 50 naira each, that person has gotten the funds they need without it affecting the donors of that project. Now, let me quickly give you an overview of the app. The app was built, on the front end of the app, I made use of HTML, CSS, Bootstrap for the responsiveness, JavaScript, and jQuery. And for the server side, I made use of Python Flask framework. So, let me run you through my app. On the app, this is the home page of the app. So these are basically the things a user can do: register, create a project, and share the project. So I'm going to take you through the app. So let's sign up a new user. So we're going to sign up Abraham. So an account has been created for Abraham, and Abraham can now proceed to log in. Yeah, so these are the things Abraham can do. He can create a project for someone, whoever is in need of money. He can donate to existing projects. So he can create a project of his if he wishes. He can donate to projects. But before that, let me quickly run you through some things you can also do. Abraham can decide to change his profile picture if he's not satisfied with the one he has currently, or if he feels like it's too old. So that way, Abraham has successfully changed his profile picture. He could also decide to change his password if he feels it has been compromised. Since the password is masked, let's give him something shorter compared to what he was using before. Yeah, so his password has been changed. So let's imagine Abraham has someone who is in need of money and he wants to create a project for them. So let him create a project for someone. He wants to create a project for Barry. So Barry is in need of 1 million naira. We can also see that he has described Barry's condition. So there's a description. So Barry's project has been created. So if he goes to his projects, these are the projects he has created himself. Now, the beauty of this is that until a project has been approved of, it can't be seen by other users. So, it has to do with donation. So there has to be a proper scrutiny to know if a project is a genuine one or a scam. So after a project has been deemed fit, so let's log in another user to check if we can see the project Barry just created. So let's create an account for another user. Oh, let me use an existing user. Okay, so if David has gone to the project area and he can't find the project Barry just created, and that is because the project has not been published by the admin. Now let's assume the project has been scrutinized and it has been approved of. Admin will now go and publish that project so that every other user can see it. So let's publish the project. So the admin can view users and view projects. So admin can see the total number of users we have and the projects they've all created. So now let's admin view their projects. So the latest project that was created was Help for Barry. So admin has approved of this project and they want to publish it. So admins can simply view more and click on publish. So this project has been published. Now let's log in. Let's go back to user David and refresh the page. We can see that that project is now showing because admin has published it. Now let's try donating to a project. A user can also donate to a project. So let's try donating to a project. Okay, so Abraham wants to donate to Help for Miley. So he could simply donate to it by clicking on either the image or the donate button or the view more. Okay, go there. So it takes him to the donation page. On the donation page, clicks on donate. Then he can specify the amount he wants to donate. Let's say he wants to donate 100,000 to the project. So a page pops up that shows the transaction reference and his details, the amount. So he has confirmed the amount and he can pay. So he wants to pay the 100,000 naira. So the payment has been successful. Let's look at that project Abraham donated to. We can see that that amount has now reflected. Initially, it was 0 naira before, but now the sum of 100,000 naira has now shown. So this way, he has successfully donated to the project. So we can log out and thank you.